The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The Upadesha for an uncontrived path of practice are called looking the Upadesha in the face. The Upadesha that give birth to awareness appear by themselves from out of the doors of the things we desire. Look at your Vajra master in the face. The Upadesha for self-arising wisdom are born within the definitions that cling to conceptions. We will know the measure of the time for certain through the transmissions of our Vajra Guru. In the one place of undirected awareness, there is the yoga of sky meditation. We will understand with certainty the teachings on the way of the transmission of meditation through the scattered magic words of our Master. This treasure of awareness is a method for moving elephants. We must study its way of practice. The true measure of what our awareness experiences is to be learned from our Guru personally. A Vajra Guru who continues to speak will not speak about granting the empowerment of royal investiture, but the undeceiving transmission of royal investiture into our minds is an Upadesha on the awareness of blessings. It is a self-luminous wheel. Its applications are methodical good works. Those who do not have the Upadesha of the oral transmission may define anything with minds that they make up by themselves, but they will not understand this transmission. Those who lack the instructions of the ascertained transmission use masters who do not have the oral transmission, who lack the ascertained significance themselves, and part themselves from others. Both of these become causes for their downfall. They will not turn out to be Vajra Gurus. If we do not take the Upadesha respectfully, we will be decimated by the Vajra Lord of Secrets. There is no need to talk about students who have no commitment. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra equal to the end of the sky, this is the 17th chapter, Teachings on Good Works that are Effortless. There is nothing to travel towards or study. Then that holy Sattva Vajra addressed him with these words. For all the Buddhas of the 3 times, the true nature of the path is that it is not to be travelled on. Where would we go by travelling? This is the supreme level of primordial awareness.